Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious spring rolls and a sweet and sour dipping sauce.
You will need a stir-fry vegetable pack or a selection of thinly sliced vegetables, 2 cloves of garlic, oil, Chinese 5-spice, soy sauce and phyllo pastry sheets. Start by peeling and crushing the garlic. Chop into smaller pieces. Put the pan on a medium heat, add the oil and add the chopped garlic. Fry for a few seconds. Add the vegetables and fry for a few minutes until slightly softened. Add the soy sauce and Chinese 5-spice and fry for about a minute longer. Put a sieve over a bowl and pour the vegetables in to cool slightly and leave to one side. Cut the phyllo sheets in half and take 2 half sheets of the pastry and lay on top of each other at a slight angle. Put a small amount of the vegetable mixture in the middle and roll the pastry around it, tucking in the ends to stop any escaping. Do this for all the pastry and vegetable mix. Place the rolls onto a baking sheet and brush with a little oil. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, turning halfway through. Whilst these are cooking, make the sauce. You will need pineapple juice, white vinegar, oil, corn flour, brown sugar and ketchup. On a low heat, whisk the corn flour and vinegar together until it starts to thicken. Turn the heat up to medium. Add the rest of the ingredients and whisk until slightly thickened. Continue to heat until it has thickened to a dipping consistency and set aside. Spoon into a bowl and place the spring rolls on a plate. They will be super hot to start with, so cutting in half will help to cool. Enjoy!